Hello friends, now we are going to look how to do a basic job search using LinkedIn. I'm sure we all have our LinkedIn profiles and we will discuss on how to create your profile for a better job search and to attract a lot of visitors. That will be in the next video. For now, we are going to see how we can find jobs. Most of us, we think LinkedIn is just for networking, but it is really helpful to teach us how to upskill, what are the terms we use to do a basic job search. Now let's see how we can find a job in Bangalore for marketing. And there are quite a lot of filters here. You can search for people in the marketing field. You can go for jobs available in Bangalore. The content which has marketing in Bangalore, it uses the search methodology to pull up the relevant details. Also, there are a lot of groups, companies where you can involve having marketing in Bangalore. So for now, we are going to see jobs in Bangalore. Here on my left hand side, we have many filters available to simplify our search. I usually go for the all filters, keep it by default, and I search with the jobs latest and also which are available in Bangalore no matter which period they've been, because few jobs I would have posted 24 hours ago, few jobs would have been posted a week ago, so I keep it in generic. And here on the left hand side you would see the companies available and also the friends who are linked into this, who are already following those. So where you can get an update on the job profiles. You can go ahead, have a look on this particular company, check the job description details, make sure that it matches you, and you could also ask people who are in your network for references. You could ask them to introduce you, or directly you could apply here and proceed. You could also search this requirement on your Naukri login, like Wipro Lead Performance Marketing Consultant job. Go to your Naukri login for your job search and you can specify the requirement and apply there directly as well. So this is one way of applying here. According to me, I would really go ahead and create a network. I would like to go for people who are in HRs. I would like to connect people in HR in different companies. It can be pan-India or your selected cities where I would like to meet them. I would like to follow their posts, their requirements. So it would help me find a better job and have more options on a regular basis. You could also follow companies if you have your role model like Sundar Pichai, or you have Azim Premji or Reliance Ambani's. You could follow any one of them to see their posts, their job requirements of a particular company, of a particular place. So there's quite a lot of learning as well as applying and also ideas to upskill and to work out on your resume. And the key important factor you have to consider is using the right words for the search criteria and also creating your profiles with using these keywords. Just a small glimpse, when you're creating a profile, you have to have the few basic things that a recruiter would look. Your endorsement and also the companies that you have worked in. Now let me pull up my profile. You could also take tips from profiles which are similar to you. So you can update your designation, current designation, what you have worked, where you have worked, and also your previous work history, the duration to be very clear, very specific, and in detail. Kindly do not hide until unless it's a very sensitive issue, sensitive topic to be shared, but be as frank as possible in your LinkedIn profile. Your CV can be modified based on the JD if you are desperate to get a job. But again, make sure you use the right words on your CV, on your LinkedIn profile, or on your any kind of job search tool to find your right job. Hope this video helps. Please share your comments. Thank you.